In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send remittance advice in Xero. This process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it easy to keep your accounts up to date and your suppliers informed. First, let's start by logging into your Xero accounting software. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login button. You'll then need to enter your email address and password associated with your Xero account. After entering your details, hit the login button again to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in and on the Xero dashboard, it's time to get into the specific steps for sending remittance advice. Look towards the top of the screen and find the option labeled Business. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From there, locate and click on Bills to Pay. This section shows you all the bills you need to focus on. Once you're in the Bills to Pay area, direct your attention to the Paid tab to filter the bills that have already been settled. From this list of paid bills, choose the one you want to send remittance advice for by clicking on its corresponding link. Doing so will open the details of that specific bill. As you are on the bill's detail page, notice the link labelled Less Payment. Clicking on this will reveal more options about the transactions related to this bill. Here you'll want to look for and click on Options. This menu presents various actions you can take. Within the Options menu, select Send Remittance. This specific action will allow you to email your supplier a notification that payment has been made. At this point, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Ensure that the email address is correct to prevent any miscommunication. After entering the email, you have the chance to edit the email remittance. This could be handy for adding personalized notes or references that might be useful for you and your supplier. Take this moment to double check your information to ensure everything is accurate. Before you send, you may want to receive a copy of the remittance advice for your records. To do this, simply tick the option that allows you to send yourself a copy. Finally, with all the details verified and ready, go ahead and click on Send. Your remittance advice is now on its way, confirming to your supplier that payment has been completed. That's it, you've successfully sent a remittance advice in Xero, making sure both you and your suppliers have the records you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with ease.